bitch Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, my hair looks good, so if you want to know how I got these results, keep watching. For this hairstyle, I wanted a side part, so I'm going to leave hair out on the left and the right so it can blend in with the clip-ins effortlessly. To make the hair look natural as possible, you want to make sure you leave out some edges or the front of your hair. I like to braid my hair down only because I feel like it makes the style last a lot longer, but you can also blend the clip-ins with your own natural hair. Once my hair is all braided down, it's time for the clip-ins. The hair that I'm using is Curlsqueen's Jerry Curl 18-inch 3C 4A hair. So if your hair is between 3C and 4A like mine's, I promise you these are the best clip-ins ever. The best thing about these clip-ins are that they're seamless. Y'all, I promise you these clip-ins literally change the game. They're super flat, they're comfortable, and it just makes it a lot easier to blend my natural hair with the clip-ins. And I'm just going to clip the hair in until you can't see my braids anymore. Y'all, look at the volume. Your girl was shocked. Now it's time to hide the clip-ins, my favorite part. Once my part is perfect, I like to put some mousse to mold it down. Everything I'm using today will be in the link below. hairstyle I'm going to be doing is a twist out. I'll be doing some big twists because I want some volume, but I don't want too much volume. Now that my hair is twisted, your girl is going to go to sleep. And when I wake up, I will show y'all my results. Boom, your girl is up. Look at your girl looking cute. So let's see what this hair gonna do. And now I'm just gonna unravel the twist and just show y'all this beautiful, beautiful hair. And y'all already know I'm the edge queen, so your girl had to get her edges right. And boom, she the baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friends. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And y'all get y'all some clip-ins. It'll have your hair looking nice and full. The website, Curlsqueen.com.
From a whole nother planet, ice on my neck dancing.